It's just falling apart. OMG. So let's get into it. I have two picnic pork roast. So first what I do, okay, well let me tell you what I have. A picnic roast. I have gravy, brown gravy. I have celery salt. I have onion powder. I have garlic powder. I have salt, pepper, soy sauce, and oil. Here I have onions, bell pepper, garlic, and jalapeno peppers. Yes, baby. So what I do first, I put little slits and stuff it with garlic. So we're going to get to that. One garlic. Sometimes I cut it up, mince it up, and then stuff it, but not today, baby. We're going to put that whole garlic in there. Cut little slits and stuff it. Oil it. I kind of like give it a massage, an oil massage. Season with some salt, pepper, baby, powder. Seasons have to marinate in the inside. Just a little celery salt. Now after that, in the crock pot, you're going to put half these vegetables in there. Half of the bell pepper, half of the onion, and half of the jalapenos. Put the roast inside of the pan, not pan, what you call it, crock pot. Remember the gravy? You're going to add the gravy, 1 pack, to the meat. Add some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. That's it for now. Let it cook. Like I said, between 2 to 4 hours, depends on how thick your roast is. You know, how fast your crock pot could cook. I have my crock pot on high. We are at the halfway mark and cooking our picnic roast, right? So, what we need to do is add the rest of the ingredients. So, let's go ahead and add the potatoes. Let's add the baby carrots. Bell pepper. Onion. No onion, baby. The other package of gravy. And we just gonna sprinkle it. Next time we come back, I'm coming back with the finished product. Yes, I am. The finished product of my Southern picnic pork roast. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Ooh, look at that meat. It's just falling apart. OMG. Yummy. Give me that yummy. Here, have